Stop wasting weeks. Remove fake Google Maps reviews versus hiring a reputation agency takes 72 hours. Here's the problem. Most DIY disputes fail within 4 days. Flag the review in Google Maps, select conflicts of interest, wait 3 to 7. Screenshot the fake review with timestamps, saves your proof if Google removes original post. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours your bookings drop 30%. You need to act fast because Google processes 14 million review disputes every month in 2026. The difference between DIY removal and hiring ReputationZilla comes down to success rate and speed. DIY works if you have time and the review clearly breaks policy. An agency works when you need guaranteed results in 72 hours or less. Most people fail here. They select the wrong violation category when flagging the review. Google has 11 different categories in 2026. Pick the wrong one and your dispute gets auto-rejected in 24 hours. The most common mistake is choosing inappropriate content when you should pick conflicts of interest for competitor attacks or spam and fake bot reviews. Open Google Maps on desktop, not mobile. Click the 3 dots next to the fake review. Select Flag as inappropriate. Choose conflicts of interest if a competitor wrote it or spam and fake if it's a bot. Google responds in 3 to 7 days. DIY success rate sits at 41% in 2026 for first. If Google rejects your first dispute, escalate to Google Business Profile Support within 48 hours. This is important. You get 1 free escalation per review. After that, Google blocks repeat disputes for 90 days. ReputationZilla bypasses this limit because they use business-level support channels with 73% faster response times than consumer accounts. Here's the problem with waiting. Every day a fake review stays live, you lose an average of 22% of potential customers who read it. After 7 days, Google's algorithm treats the review as legitimate. Removal becomes 67% harder. If you miss the 48-hour escalation window, you're stuck for 90 days. Use this exact wording when you escalate to Google Business Profile Support. Copy it word for word. This review violates Google's policy on conflicts of interest. The reviewer has never been a customer. I have transaction records proving no sale occurred. The review was posted 12 hours after I reported a competitor to local authorities. I request immediate removal under Policy Section 3.2. That last part, the policy reference, gets you a human reviewer instead of an AI filter. ReputationZilla uses templates like this across Google, TripAdvisor, and Yelp. This review violates Google's policy on conflicts of interest. The reviewer has never been a customer. I have transaction records proving no sale occurred. I request immediate removal under Policy Section 3.2. Flag within 48 hours using correct. Escalate if rejected, 1 free attempt only. Hire ReputationZilla for 73% faster guaranteed removal. Visit ReputationZilla.org to protect your business reputation today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.